Sketch the function f of x is equal to 20 divided by x squared plus 4. Rational function, find the vertical asymptote and also the horizontal asymptote. As long as the highest power down is greater than on top, horizontal asymptote is that y is equal to 0. If I equate the denominator to 0 to find the vertical asymptote, I will not be able to find any. So meaning that there is no vertical asymptote. Okay, no vertical asymptote. Why? Because x squared plus 4 is going to be equal to equated to 0, and we're going to have x squared is equal to negative 4. We are going to square root negative 4 to find the value of x, but we don't have a square root of a negative number. It will give us a complex number. So that is why we don't have the asymptote in the vertical. So then now sketching this function. Let me put this one a bit on top. So then what are we going to have? We have got x there, we have got y here. We have got the negative 7. This is a shift in the y direction. That's a negative 7. Meaning that the horizontal asymptote was supposed to be at 0 if we didn't have any constant added. But because we've got negative 7, this is going to shift to negative 7. Okay, that is where it shifts to. I'm going to get the smallest value of the denominator when x is 0. Put 0 here, we're going to have a 4 down. Put 1 here, we're going to have a 5 down. Put 2 there, we're going to have 8 down. Even if it's the negative, put negative 1, we still have a 5. Put negative 2, we're still going to have 8 because we are squaring those values. Meaning that I'm going to get the smallest value of the denominator when x is equal to 0. And the smallest value of the denominator means that it will give us the biggest value of the fraction. Think of it. If we have got x being equal to 0, we're going to have 4 down. That will be 20 over 4. That will give us 5, the fraction. But if the denominator is, this is a 1, 1 plus 4 is a 5. 20 over 5, that will give us a 4. So we see the function reduces. When the denominator increases, the whole function is going to reduce. So meaning we are going to get the biggest value when the denominator is 0. Alright. So when x is equal to 0, we are finding what will be the value for y. Just this part. Okay, sorry for that. Yeah.